Good afternoon, customers, ladies and gentlemen. This is Benjamin with Barch Designs, Wicked Aluminum, showing you the new Raspberry Pi 5 case. I've finished the CAD model of it. Going to take you through just a couple of the features that I've walked through here and thought about from the upgrade from the RPI 4 to the RPI 5. First off, the LED status, they've gone down to one LED, so I'm still going to have the LED come through the top with the fiber optic cable. There is going to be a cutout in the back, so you can see the access directly through there as well. Also the cutout for the reset switch. The micro SD card still going to be accessible on the standard case. I am working on the secure case and the OpenShield case so that in the secure version we can secure the SD card inside, close off the GPIO, and then the OpenShield case so we can plug in hats to the top. But to start, we've got the standard case. From the side, it's pretty well the same as the last RPI 4. We've got the power USB-C, the two HDMIs there. In the front, we've got the RJ45 network connection and the USB 2 and 3. These were mirrored again from the RPI 4. It seems like the Raspberry Pi Foundation keeps going back and forth which side those are going to be on. But on the standard case, we've got the slot cut out here for the GPIO pins in case you want to connect that. And let's take a look inside the top half of the case here. Again, we've got the pillars that are going to come down and touch 5 of the ICs that create heat. And that's pretty much the inside, what we can see there. The bottom, there's another upgrade I decided to put in this time. You can see these corners have a support now for the Raspberry Pi board to set down and be supported on the back side. The front side is supported by the wall edge here, so now it's going to be supported by all 4 sides, so when it squishes down into that neoprene, there's no chance of it rocking or moving. It's going to set into the neoprene and then also have that as a positive stop so it knows exactly where to put together. The cases will hold it, the case halves will hold it together, and it'll be just a secure, amazing, perfect fit. So this is where we're at. The CAD model is done. I 3D printed the bottom half last night. Came out good, test fitted it, and today I'm about to 3D print the top half and the bottom half with the new upgrades and double check everything fits right, and then we'll move on to the aluminum prototype production, and these will be for sale soon. So thank you very much everybody for all your emails and comments coming in. I appreciate it. Stay tuned.